I'm on my way home. I'm going to install and repair those cupboards that I picked up yesterday. The girls are going to walk home. They decided to walk to school today and walk home, so that's great for me. Saves me picking them up. Gives me a little bit more free time too. So this is downtown London that we're coming into now. Quite surprising how little snow we have now. We've lost a lot of it just the last 2 days, really. Sunday, well, today I guess as well, but it's 35 degrees Celsius right now, or 35 Fahrenheit. Take 2. It's amazing how much snow we've lost in the last, I guess, 3 days. It's really melted a lot of snow. I've seen a bunch of restoration companies out in Wortley Village at different houses, so I imagine those people have flooded basements. I should check ours. Look at that, there's a sailboat in my driveway and a hockey net. What a contrast. This is a mess. I've got cupboards here that I just banged into. They're uppers. These are uppers. That bike has to go. That's Heidi's bike. I'm gonna move it down to the other end of the garage. I move this. I've got a lot of stuff to do. Just want to show some of the quality craftsmanship here. These are staples. Those corner pieces are stapled in. That is crazy. Same thing over on this side. Yep, that's quality. Yeah, it's just junk. But it's gonna work fine for my shop. I'll glue it together and screw it together, and wherever it breaks, I'll fix it and do it again if I need. So I've got this other one. I've got to put a door on it yet, as the door is broken off. The glue joints on these aren't all the best. It's made in a factory. They've used some brads too to try and hold it together, but it's not enough. You find if they just use glue, they use enough of it. This is a chipboard with a little bit of wood on each side of it. So it's like a chipboard ply. It's just, if it ever gets wet, it's a big sponge. Got that air stapler. I'm gonna put the drawer slides in now. These are them. They're cheap pieces of plastic. Just shattered that piece right off. I think I'm gonna drill holes and put screws in for these. It doesn't like to take the staples, that's for sure. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Huh. Just hanging on by a sliver. Isn't that something? Oh. I'm gonna put a little spacer in here. That's not tight enough. I found my solution. I'm gonna unscrew that to one strip, put this filler in, screw it back together, we're done. Well, that worked perfect. I filled that gap down there. See this? Filled the gap with plywood there, and then this side's fine on that little piece of plastic. I'm happy with that. Coffee. So now I'm going to prepare this shelf to hang. Let's put a couple of screws in it and get it ready. So now that I've started those screws in there, I'll hang this on the wall up here, and it'll be a lot easier to hang up with just me, because that's all there is me. So I'll get that up there. Got 5 screws in it for now. I'll probably end up putting more. Bonjour, mon enfant. Hello, little one. That's good to hear. Ta-da. Well, I'm happy with the progress of that tonight. I'll come out after supper and put those doors on. They should be glued up enough to work. I'll bring out a bucket of soapy water and wash all this stuff down too. It's kind of grimy. It's been in somebody's basement for a while. Made a real mess. I've got my cupboards installed. I've got a top on the bottoms here. That's still drying down here. This piece is broke right there. So that's why that's not closed. I've still got a lot of cleaning up to do. Get some mold and whatnot off of that. And then I've got sawdust everywhere because I had to cut this to make it fit. But it's coming along. There's just, I've got to put stuff in them up there. I think I'll put paint up there in the cans. Stuff I don't usually use a lot of, just to get it up and out of the way. Be nice to organize this. Finally, I've got enough shelf and whatnot space to do that, and get it all so it's a nicer workable place. That's my computer. I have a computer in the garage. I use it for if I'm working on something and I need a schematic or something or a drawing of it. I'll just download that drawing onto my phone, bring it out here, plug my phone into the computer, and pull it up on that screen. Works great. I don't have to get my laptop all greasy and ick. So now I'm gonna head in now. It's getting cold out here. It's about -6 or so Celsius, and I've just got cleaning to do and organizing. So I'll do that. Not today, probably not tomorrow too. It's gonna be chilly tomorrow as well, but I'll get to it. It's supposed to be warm in the next few days, so we'll do that. Thanks for watching.